Good morning everyone. How are you all the nice and lovely students of class 3? Hope everybody is fit and fine. Okay, so dear students, on your parents' request, once again we teachers are making videos. But dear students, believe me that the Zoom app class is the better option rather than the recordings, because on the Zoom app I can see you, you can see me, I can told you directly, है ना, to do that, to do this, right? And at the same time you have to join the class. Otherwise, in the recording facility, it is happening that if your mama will get free time, you will see the class at the night, है ना? So if your mama will get the free time in the evening time, you will see the class in the evening time. So this is actually not good. Means this is not inculcating the discipline in you and among you, right? So I personally feel that Zoom class is better because you all are waiting for us, है ना? जैसे 12 बजती आप वेट करते हो कि हमारी क्लास आने वाली है, हमें पढ़ना है, तो ये टाइम आपका फिक्स है. अदरवाइज कोई तो सुबह देखेगा, कोई शाम को देखेगा, कोई 2-3 दिन 4 दिन बाद भी देखेगा क्लास. एंड पूरे साल हम आपसे डायरेक्टली कनेक्टेड ही नहीं हो पाए ऑलरेडी, और फिर वापस से वही सारा प्रोसीजर. बट ऑन द some parents has demanded that, so we can't do anything. We teachers तो are ready to teach. It depends on you what type of way you will choose. Okay, so move on. And this is class number 1, chapter number 2 we are going to start. Chapter number 2, है ना? And which class is this? This is class 3. This is class 3. This is class 3 and chapter number 2. The name of the chapter is Our Food. The name of the chapter is Our Food. Okay. So dear students, in this chapter we are going to discuss about two main things. Number 1, the different sources of food, and number 2, the food, the group of foods. Right? So before starts the chapter, I want to share some information with you. Is that the food is very very important to all of us, because we all are working to get the food, है ना? Whatever money we all are earning, we are spending the half of the money or more than half of the money on our food. We expenses all these things, है ना? First though we will think that vegetables should be at our home, fruit should be at our home, है ना? Different type of grain should be at our homes, wheat, rice, all types of pulses, है ना? Mama, when summer season starts, what exactly mama is doing? Mama starts telling to the papa that गेहूं खरीदना है, दाल खरीदना है ना? राई, जीरा, मेथी, धनिया, हल्दी, मिर्ची, ये सारी चीजें खरीदना है ना? So is this happening not only at your home, not only in my home, it is happening with everybody. It is happening equally with each and everybody. Why? Because food is basic need of a human being. See, we human beings have 3 basic needs. I already told you in the last class also, or in the last session also, we human beings have 3 basic needs. Number 1, what is number 1? Number 1, the house. make you understand about the things whatever is written in the book. All right, so everybody is ready. Hope you all are ready. Okay, so before I start the reading, I want to tell you, beta, this is very monotonous, not only for me, for you also. This recording is actually monotonous for me, for you also. है ना? Zoom class में क्या होता है? Zoom class जब आप देखते हैं, you cannot pause me, you cannot get me forward, है ना? लेकिन Zoom क्लास में ना तो आप मुझे पॉज कर सकते हैं स्क्रीन को और ना ही आप मुझे स्क्रॉल करके आगे कर सकते हैं। लेकिन रिकॉर्डिंग में मैम 40 मिनट का क्लास बनाती है। बहुत सारे बच्चे ऐसे होते हैं जो आगे बढ़ा के 5 मिनट में क्लास देख लेते हैं। So I personally feel that this is not good for you. Last year तो everybody thought that this year will go on like that only. We can't do. Everybody feels helpless. Because nowadays we can't say that how long this procedure will go on. So Zoom app is the better option. Once again I am telling you. Okay, now first we are going to discuss about the sources of food. है ना? Sources of food. So first we will discuss on that. What are the sources of food? Okay, all right. So there are two types of sources we have. है ना? We have two types. Two types of sources of food. Number one, the plants. Number one, the plants. Okay. Number one, plants, and number two, animals. Number two, animals. So these are two main sources of the food. So this thing you will keep is in your mind that these two things, these two main things are the sources of the food. These two are the main sources of the food. Now we will discuss. First we will discuss about the plants. है ना? First we will discuss about the plants. So now plants. So we get all the things from plants, है ना? And we get different types of food sources, animals also, right? So in this category first we are going to discuss about the plants, right? So in this first we will discuss about the root. First we will discuss about the roots. I am going to rub this. Hope you will understand that there are two main sources of the food. So number one we will discuss roots. Number one we will discuss roots. So every plant have a root, है ना? This thing is very clear. Is in your mind that every plant has roots. Okay. So is it happening that we will take out the root of a plant and start eating? Is it happening? Is we are doing like that only? Is this the right source to get the food? No, my dear students. This is not happening in our life. This is not the real source. This is not the real way to get the food. Okay. It is not happening that we will take out a plant and start eating. No. But we all are eating the roots of a plant in the form of food. है ना? In the form of food. So in this category I am going to write the two names. Carrot and radish. Carrot and radish. Okay, these this question is clicking is in your mind, this question is raising is in mind that रूट से कैसे प्लांट बनता है, रूट से कैसे फूड बनता है ना. कैरेट मीन्स गाजर, रेडिश मीन्स मूली. कैरेट गाजर का हलवा वी ऑल लव टू ईट है ना, एंड वी ऑल आर यूजिंग रेडिश एंड कैरेट आल्सो इन टू मेक द सैलेड. ओके, अब आपके दिमाग में ये बात आ रही होगी कि रूट से खाना कैसे बनता है. तो बेटा बहुत सारे प्लांट ऐसे होते हैं जो अपना जो फूड होता है वो कोई रूट में बनाता है, कोई स्टेम में बनाता है, कोई लीफ में बनाता है, कोई सीड्स में बनाता है, कोई फ्रूट में बनाता है ना. सो दैट इज द completely depend on that particular plant. When you will go in the further classes, in the next classes, then you will understand how this process is actually happening, how this process is actually happening है ना. Here तो you will understand one thing, that the roots of the plant is we all are eating, but we all are not eating directly. We all are eating in the form of food. We all are eating in the form of food. Okay, so in this category I wrote two names, carrot and radish. ये क्या करती है, ये अपने रूट्स में ही खाना बनाती हैं, ये अपने रूट्स में ही फूड को स्टोर करती हैं और खाना बनाती हैं. ओके, नाउ नंबर 2 we will discuss about the stem. Stems. Number 2 we will discuss about the stem. Up here I am going to draw the picture of the roots. Here I am going to draw the pictures of the roots. Okay. Now here I am going to draw the picture of the stem. This is a stem, है ना. अब stem means what? Stem means so the straight part of the plant. The stem means the straight of the plant, and by this stem, by the help of this stem, every plant can stand straight. Every plant can stand straight because of the help of this stem. Because of the help of this stem. So, stem in this category, we all are eating the food. है ना? We all are eating the food. But again, I am telling you that directly we all are not eating stem. We are cutting the stem of a tree and starts eating. No, it is not happening like that. Then again the plant of potato, ginger and sugarcane, they will prepare their food in their stem. That is the reason we all are eating the stem of a plant. Okay, so I am going to write. Yes, dear students, potato and ginger and what else? Sugar cane. Okay, so these three are the food item which we all are eating, but we all are not eating in the form of stem. We are not cutting the stem of a tree and we are not start eating directly. We all are eating, but in the form of food. So how many food items will come in this category? Potato, ginger and sugar cane, aloo, adrak and ganna. Okay, understand? Okay, hope you understand better. Now leaves. Number 3, leaves. Leaves means what? Yes, leaves means yes, the leaf. In Hindi we can call it patti. The leaves color is maximum times it is always go into a garden and starts plucking the leaf of rose, marigold and starts eating. No, it is not like that. It is not happening like that. Then what is happening? We all are eating the leaves. This is again the part of the plant, but directly again I am telling you that directly we all are not eating. Some plants, they are preparing their food in their leaves. Some plants, they are preparing their food in their leaves. So that is the reason we all are eating the leaves of Spanish and coriander and fenugreek and mint. Okay, so we all are eating these leaves in the form of food. We all are eating these leaves in the form of food. Spanish, palak, coriander, आप बहुत अच्छे से जानते हैं, fenugreek and mint, है ना? And I can add one more thing. All types of leafy vegetables. All types of leafy vegetables also I can add in this. So understand about the leaves, about the stem, about the roots. Understand this much? Okay, now number 4 I am going to take about the seeds. Number 4 we are going to discuss about the seeds. Yes, seeds. Seed means in Hindi बीज आप जिसको बोलते हैं, that is called seeds. Yes, we all are eating corn. Corn means भुट्टा, है ना? Now rainy season is started and we all love when rain will come. Now then what will happen? We will go for a long drive. Then on the way, yes, we love to eat this corn, garam bhutta, sika hua. Everybody loves to eat, है ना? Then rice. Each and every child like to eat rice, except one child. That Yashwardhan Singh Rathore, he did not like to eat rice because I have seen in the mess. वो rice नहीं खाता है यशवर्धन सिंह राठौर. Okay. Then the wheat means गेहूं, and wheat से we will get the flour, आटा, right? Oats, pear and pulses. All these have the examples of seeds, and we all are eating peas. Peas means in Hindi batla, matar, and all the children love to eat the peas. And we can eat it raw also, and mama will prepare the vegetables for you also. Okay, so understand, seeds also the part of the plant, and we all are eating the different types of seed in the form of food. But चावल को, rice को we cannot eat it directly, है ना? As like that, pulses we cannot eat it directly, wheat we cannot eat it directly, different types of grains we cannot eat it directly. So first rice को we will cook, है ना? All types of pulses we will cook, and all types of grains what we will do? We will put into the water and soak them into the water. Then we boil them. Then we get them fry, get them prepared. Okay, and wheat also we all are not eating directly. Wheat से हम गेहूं से हम क्या करते हैं, आटा पिसवाते हैं. Then mama is preparing chapati or fulka for you, then you will eat, है ना. So again I am telling you that only corn we can eat, but some people are liking the boiled corn. Boiled corn is very delicious, है ना. It is very delicious. It is very delicious. And जो सिका हुआ भुट्टा होता है, that is also give the different taste to us. Okay, so here I am going to write the names of the examples of the seeds. Corn, wheat, rice, and oats, peas, and pulses. Okay, so these are the examples of seeds which we all are eating, but we all are not eating them raw. We all, except corn, we all are eating them by cooking. Okay, so corn, wheat, rice, oats, peas. Peas we can eat raw. मटर को हम कच्चा खा सकते हैं. Okay, so hope you understand about this. Now we will discuss fruit, flowers and bark. Okay, so I am going to rub it this. Okay, now number 5th is fruit. Now number 5th is fruit. Yes, again fruit is the very nice part of a plant, and we all love to eat the different types of fruits. But here I am going to write only few examples. Apple, mango, grapes. Because children love to eat all these things. Apple also, mango तो everybody loves to eat. Each and everybody loves to drink the mango shake, है ना. So here only 3 examples I am writing. Now I will discuss about the number 6 flower. Number 6 flower. Okay, flower is again a part of a plant, and we all are eating this part of the plant. But once again I am telling you that directly we all are not eating. We all are getting the yes, we all are eating this, but in the form of food, है ना. So the example of flowers are cauliflower and broccoli. Cauliflower and broccoli. These are the examples of the flowers, है ना. But again I am telling you that we are not going into the garden and we are not plucking any rose flower, any lotus flower, any marigold flower or any jasmine flower or start eating. No, है ना. नहीं तो आप बोलो मैम ने तो बोला था we all are eating flowers. So no, it is not happening. We all are eating the parts of the plant in the form the parts of the plant flower, but in the form of food, है ना. Some plants they are preparing their food in the flower. That is the reason we all are eating the cauliflower as well as broccoli. Broccoli is very good for our health. Okay, now the number 7 bark. Number paneer vegetable. Mama will make the spicy vegetable for you, like kaju curry and malai kofta and matar paneer, chana masala, है ना? When Mama will prepare all these types of delicious vegetable, that time she use this cinnamon. Okay, CINNAMON. This is also the part of the plant. This is also the part of the plant, and which we all are using in the form of food. Okay. So dear students, today we discussed about the food from the plants. Hope you understand all these things. Okay. So the last line of the chapter I am going to read for you, then I will explain. Most vegetables and cereals are cooked before eating, and some fruits and vegetables like carrot and radish are eaten raw. And I told you that most of the vegetables we should eat, or we always eat. Before eating we should cook them. खाने के पहले हमें उनको कुक करना पड़ता है, पकाना पड़ता है, then only we can eat. And some fruits and some vegetables we can eat it raw, like tomato, carrot, radish, cucumber, है ना? And the peas, pea also, मटर के दाने भी we can eat it raw. So some we should not necessary to cook them, and most of the fruit, most of the cereals, most of the pulses, most of the grains we should cook them before eating. Okay, so this is today's class. Hope you understand that. I am giving you a small work. This is your homework, and what you have to do, you have to write the sources. You have to food from plants. You have to food from plants. आपको क्या करना है? आपको प्लांट से जो भी हमें फूड मिलता है, जैसा आपकी बुक में दिया हुआ है, आपको स्टेप बाय स्टेप ऐसा लिखना है. सबसे पहले रूट लिखना है, स्टेम, लीव, सीड्स, फ्रूट, फ्लावर्स, और उनके पिक्चर्स भी ड्रॉ करने हैं, है ना? एक साइड सपोज रूट्स है ना, तो आपको रूट्स का पिक्चर ड्रॉ करना है, और फिर उसके एग्जांपल यहाँ पे लिखना है. क्या एग्जांपल थे? कैरेट का एंड रेडिश था, है ना? सो एज लाइक दैट यू हैव टू नोट डाउन ऑल दीज थिंग्स इज इन योर ईवीएस कॉपी. आपको अपनी ईवीएस की कॉपी में इस तरह से करना है. रूट के बाद आएगा स्टेम, फिर लीव्स, फिर सीड्स, फिर फ्लावर्स एंड फिर बल्ब. Okay, so hope you will do like that only. And now here I am going to finish my class. This is your homework. Please do this homework in your EVS notebook with good handwriting, with good picture. If you want to fill the color in these pictures, you can fill it also, and you have to write the examples also. Or if you want to draw the picture of the examples, you can draw it. अगर आपको example के picture बनाने, जैसे carrot और radish, potatoes, ginger and sugar cane, है ना, leafy vegetables, corn, pea, apple, mango, orange, cauliflower, broccoli, so you can make the pictures also. So here I am going to wind up my class.